Alright, boys. We are back. We took a little dub today, a broke even though, but I only took this on my eval. Um, haven't traded my live yet, or I didn't trade my live today. I did take a trade on Friday and I ended up losing, so that live is a little low, or I mean the express. I've got 365 left in it. But did not want to trade it with price looking like this, so I took this on the eval because it looked nice. We inversed this 1 minute on ES and MNQ, and then we also changed state on MNQ. I entered off that candle close, got a pretty good fill actually, and I took some profits off at this fair value gap and final take profit. I was gonna take more somewhere right here, and this was my final. This was like the beginning of, I wanted to take it at the beginning of the 15-minute gap, but took a little dub today. I entered a little heavy on this account because this was in drawdown from last Friday, so I didn't really mind if I blew it. Top Step's got a sale going on right now anyway that I was going to take advantage of, but yeah, we inversed this 1 minute, we swept sell side, change in state, entered. Typically I would have maybe waited for a fair value gap, but no fair value gaps were forming, and I'm still kind of testing out. This is what I want to be my model. It's what I've been back testing, and I love how change in states deliver. Sometimes it's the cleanest moves ever, but still took a winning day, $250 on this account. Believe tomorrow should be a great day. Yeah, so no news today really. That's why market was moving so slow. Tomorrow we have orange news, and then Wednesday's red. So should be a pretty clean week this week, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna be posting again. I'm sorry about last week. Was going through it trading wise, so I just took a little break. But yeah, I will be posting tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then.